Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a random vlog. I don't know if this is going to be over one day or multiple days, probably multiple days. Sorry if I'm kind of talking quietly. Devin is sleeping in the room next to me because he's on night shift and I'm in the office. And you guys know that we're moving at the end of this month and I'm starting to like go through things. Let me just show you. So I'm sitting here on the futon. That is stuff I need to give to my friend from work that someone's going to be picking up. I'm trying to sell that sign and that Ray Dunn. This box full of books all belong to Devin's dad. I don't know how we're going to get them to him. He lives like kind of by Orlando, Florida. That's trash. I'm going to donate all of this stuff. That's all getting donated. I'm going to try to sell this desk, trying to sell the printer, and then this is getting thrown away because it's broken. You guys just can't see. Well, maybe you can kind of see. But then we have to pack up all the stuff on here. A lot of this stuff is like sentimental stuff or like books. There's like my willow trees, Devin's coins. We have a lot of books on here. He's got a lot of his stuff up there. But yeah, you can see that this shelf is like broken. It's from Walmart. It was like 70 bucks. So I don't mind to throw it away. And then there's just a few things hanging on the walls that we need to get rid of. That is going to go in the trash. And that is going to be folded up, but Devin has that because it blocks the sunlight from our bedroom. So anyways, I went through my closet. I'll show you guys. I went through my closet and I got rid of so much stuff. Well, you can see there's like 3 big bags of stuff. I'm just donating it. This is a bridesmaid's dress I'm trying to sell. I never got to wear it because of COVID because I couldn't travel home for a wedding. So yeah, there's some stuff up there. That's like all sentimental stuff, like cards and stuff from Devin and I, like all of our stuff, and then like family stuff. I keep every card and everything that I have. Look how many free hangers I have now. I did not have any free hangers before. That's ridiculous. Okay, so those are my purses. There's some like shoes back there. My laundry, what do you call it? An ironing board is back there. This is just a bunch of clothes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I literally can't believe we are moving so soon, and I can't believe that I have not packed yet. When we moved here from Right Pat, I was packed like a month before we even moved. Like I was on top of it. This time, I don't know why. I think I'm like in denial that we're actually moving. And on top of that, I just don't want to do it. So I also had help. When I lived at Right Pat, we were close to family. So my mom was able to help me pack a ton of stuff. And if you're wondering, I got a message on my Instagram that was like, why isn't the military moving, you guys? We have always done ditty moves is what they're called, do-it-yourself moves, and that's what we prefer. It's what I prefer mostly. Devin probably would rather have the military move us, but I just like being in control of my own stuff. I like packing my own stuff. I like, you know, having my stuff right away when we move there, and getting it there in the U-Haul is really not that big of a deal. We are traveling about 13-ish hours to move, so but that's how far we moved when we came here. It's really not that big of a deal. So I just like to do ditty moves. That's just what I prefer, and they are going to reimburse us, so it's not like we're like doing it and then not getting money for it. We do get reimbursed for it, so I just prefer ditty moves, but that's why I am doing it myself, and I am officially done working, so I'm home to do it. So that was the whole point of why I quit work so early, was to be able to handle stuff here at home and just be able to, like, you know, be here and get stuff done. So I'm packing up all this stuff. I'm like trying to take it room by room. We did go through the guest room and we went through all the clothes in there. I have stuff in there that I'm getting rid of too. And I'm gonna try to sell the guest bedroom set. You guys, we're gonna literally sell almost everything. The only furniture pieces we are taking out of our entire house is the living room set and our bedroom mattress. That is it. And then just like our stuff. So when we get there, we're gonna get like a new bedroom set and like everything new. So we also have a basement at our new house, so we're going to eventually put the living room set we have now in the basement, and then I want to get a new living room set for the upstairs living room. So yeah, today is 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. I'm not doing anything because Devin's on night shift and he works tonight, and I have the dogs, and Marvin is kind of scared of fireworks, so I don't really want to leave him. And yeah, I basically am not doing anything, so I'm just gonna sit at home. I don't really care though. The weather's kind of like crappy outside. It's like not very nice. Let me see if you guys can kind of see. You can't really tell. It actually looks okay, but it's like kind of cloudy and it doesn't look cloudy at all, but it's a little bit cloudy, kind of gloomy. So that is it. That's all I'm doing. You guys have been requesting for me to vlog like this process, so that's what I'm doing. But honestly, I feel like it's kind of boring, but I know I always like looking back on my old videos from when we moved here. It's like kind of fun to see. But yeah, also I found this note when I was taking down some stuff on the wall, and it was from Devin, a note that he left me like one morning before work, and it says, "Have a great day, honey. Don't forget to pray and glorify God in all that you do. I will see you when you get home. Love, Devin." And he said, "P.S. The garage door is open because I took my bike to PT." I don't know, I just thought that was sweet. I like keeping stuff like that. So yeah, that's all. I will vlog when the next time that I'm doing something interesting is, but for now, that's pretty much it. I also am going to pick up some boxes today from a girl on base who is getting rid of moving boxes because I need to do that. And I'm also gonna drop some stuff off at the thrift store on base. I was gonna drop all this stuff off at the Airman's Attic, but because the Airman's Attic is free to people here, but they have like really weird hours. It's only like Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, like mornings that they're open, that you can drop off stuff. And I really just want to get it out of here, so I'm gonna drop it off at the thrift store on Eglin. So if you live on Eglin, I'm dropping off a lot of nice clothes and some decor items, so you can go check it out. I'm not even sure if I think they're open right now because of COVID, but I am gonna drop it off to donate it, so yeah. Okay, I'm like super out of breath. I just brought all these bags of things downstairs, and I'm gonna take like a thumbnail with this because I have a thumbnail from one of my packing videos from the last time we moved, and it was with a bunch of boxes in the background, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, anyways, I just brought all this stuff down. Whew, I'm out of breath. Let me show you guys how much I am donating from only 2 rooms of our house. Okay, this is crazy. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. 7 bags and 1 comforter. And the reason we're donating the comforter is because it just sheds really bad, but I know that somebody would probably use it, but it's clean, it's almost new. And so I just thought I would donate it in case somebody really needed it. But anyways, this is all clothes and some decor items as well that I don't really want to sell. I would just rather donate. So I'm about to leave and go pick up those boxes from that lady that I was telling you guys about, and then also to stop by the thrift store to donate all this stuff. I am like seriously in a mentality of just like, get rid of it. Get rid of it, get rid of it, get rid of it. I don't care, get rid of it. I just want to donate everything. I don't want to take anything with us. I mean, that's dramatic. I do want to take all of our stuff, but I am going to be kind of savage when it comes to going through things. A lot of that is my clothes, me personally, because I have so much clothes and we have kind of small closet space at our new house. So I didn't want to take like a bunch of clothes that we don't need. Right now we have a lot of closet space, but at our new house, we are kind of like, we're definitely downsizing. So I just didn't want to take a bunch of clothes that I didn't need or use. So I know someone else could use them more than I could, and they literally just sit in my closet. So that's why I'm donating all of them. But yeah. You guys, Marvin has some severe, oh my God, some severe separation anxiety, and it is like real. Sherman does not have the same issues, obviously. I was upstairs for maybe 15 minutes, and he acts like I left him for days. Oh my. Anyways, this is the dogs. They are getting haircuts next week, and guys, Marvin's getting neutered next week. Poor baby. I'm trying to keep up with him. He's running away. He got his toy. Oh, can I have it? Thank you. Go get it. Oh, I didn't mean to throw it at you, Sherman. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I wanted to share with you guys, this brand Puppy Pack had sent us a box for the boys, and I wanted to kind of open it up here on camera. It's like a subscription box, and I kind of looked at it a little bit, but but I haven't opened it yet, so I thought I would share it with you guys. It's got some toys and some treats in there, and they reached out to me through email, and I thought this would be a really cool little collaboration to do because you guys know I love getting stuff and trying new things for my dogs. So I thought I would share this with you guys. I also have a coupon code for 30% off of a box. So the code is just Victoria. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave the link down below. But this is the box. and it says Puppy Pack on there. They have a cute Instagram and the boys are very interested. So let's open this up. So this is what it looks like inside. I'll kind of go through everything. They are going nuts. Okay, so this first thing is this toy. I'm not sure how long this is gonna last with Mr. Marvin here, but they love toys. Okay, also their toy collection has depleted almost to nothing. They have literally like 4 toys between the 2 of them because of Marvin, because he chews all of the toys up. And so we have had to only buy like Kong toys, like rubber toys that they can like chew on, because all the stuffed ones get ruined. So hopefully this lasts, but it kind of like stretches, and that's really cute. I think it has a squeaker too. Ready? I wish you guys could see Marvin. You look so cute. Here, you want it? Take it. Take it. Here, take it. Here you go. Bye. Goodbye. Okay, he took it. And then the next thing in here is a rope toy, which I know rope toys are kind of controversial with dogs. I really only let them have their rope toys when I'm around because it is kind of like unsafe if they start to chew it and swallow it. So I do only let them have it kind of like when I'm around, but this one is so cute. It's my favorite color. It's teal and gray. So I'll give this one to Sherman. Here, you want it, baby? Sherman can't have any toys because Marvin steals them from him. Look, he's going to take that one right now. You guys, he does not know how to share. Goodbye. He took it and he has the other one. So mean, and he has both. Okay, well guess what, Sherman? You can try the treats. So this is an ulna bone, and it's 100% natural. Comes with 2 of them. That's interesting. I'll have to look that up. But that looks like something they would definitely like. And then let's see what's next. There's 2 bags of treats. So let's see. It's like they don't have their own brand of stuff. They just put like other brands in here, which is kind of cool. It's kind of like different than BarkBox. This is just the Purina little filet mignon flavored treats. So I know the dogs will love these. They like pretty much any treat that I give them. Here's Marvin already. Ooh. They smell like dog treats, that's for sure. Okay, ready? Let's show them how good you are. Come, sit. Good boy. We're working on being gentle, because look how gentle your brother is. Oh, he's a gentle boy. He's a gentle boy. Okay, let's see. There's 1 more bag of treats in here. And these are the Natural Baker Naturals oven baked dog treats. And these are these are for like fresh breath, so they're mint flavored. So those look really good for them too. So yeah, so that's all that came in there. 2 bags of treats, 1 little like chew treat, and 2 toys. So yeah, so thank you to Puppy Pack for sending us that. The dogs love it. And like I said, you guys can use the code Victoria to get 30% off of your first box. So I'll leave a link down below. Hey guys, so it is 7:55, so it's almost 8 o'clock. And it's been a while. I went and dropped off all that stuff at the thrift store. And then I went and picked up those boxes, and then I went to Walmart. So I thought I would show you guys like a couple of the cleaning supply things that I got, because I am going to have to like clean our house for our move out inspection, which this will be the 2nd time that I have cleaned our base housing house myself for the move out inspection. I'm not hiring anybody, which you totally can do, but in my opinion, it's expensive. I got a quote from a lady for our house to do a like move out clean, which is pretty detailed. You know, they have to clean like all the appliances and all that. And she quoted me at $400, which I was just like, whoa, I didn't expect it to be that much. So I was like, okay, I think I'm gonna do this myself, because at our last house, we had only lived there for 9 months. So it was pretty easy for me to clean, and we had no pets there. So there wasn't really like much to do. So I cleaned it really well, and it was a lot of work, but it was fine because it was just the 2 of us, and we only lived there for 9 months, so it wasn't like super dirty or anything. We have lived in this house for over 2 years, almost 2.5 years now, and we have 2 dogs. So it's a much different situation. Like there's a lot of things that I'm gonna have to clean, you know, a little bit deeper than I did the first time. So I am trying to prepare myself. So I got some cleaning products today. The first thing that I got were Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. The ones from the Dollar Tree are actually really good, but I was just at Walmart, so I got these. I also, oh my gosh, if you guys are looking for something to clean your bathtubs, the Mr. Clean ones for the bathroom are amazing. Like, I'm telling you, our bathtub, so much came off of it. It was disgusting. I really love those. So I got that, and then I got this little mini thing of Dawn because I have been buying the Casey Holmes boutique, like the Rosy Days merch, and so I've bought like 4 things recently, and one of my comfort color shirts I got a stain on from some like yum yum sauce from a night that we had sushi. And so I asked on Instagram because I literally had only worn the thing one time and I got a stain on it and I was so upset. So I was like, how can I fix it? So everyone, literally, but like a couple people said Dawn dish soap, and I don't use Dawn. I just usually buy like clear, just like whatever. I never usually buy Dawn. So I got this little mini one. It was like 98 cents, and I'm gonna try to kind of scrub it on there with a toothbrush. Another thing I saw was to put baking soda with Dawn and to scrub it and then wash it. So I got that. But then my friend Tamala, you guys know her, I've done collabs with her before on my YouTube channel. I love her. She literally buys every single one of the Rosy Days like merch items, like the comfort color shirts and all that, and she said she uses this along with the powder, but I just decided to get this to try it, and this was only like $3. It's the OxiClean Max Force Laundry Stain Remover Gel Stick. So it has this little thing on the top, and I guess you just like rub it on there. It says you just place the stick directly on the stain, press down to dispense the gel, and gently rub into fabric. Let stand for 5 minutes, and then wash with detergent in the warmest water. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna try that to see if I can get it out. I'm gonna try this first and just scrub it. I might actually put some of that and some of that, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know if that takes the stain out. Then another thing that I got was, we have a smoke detector in our guest room that was beeping for the longest time, and we need to replace the battery, and Devin actually ended up just taking it out of the ceiling, which I know is bad, but he just took it out because we were like so tired of listening to it. So I got some more batteries for that. Then I got some packing tape because when we moved here, I bought like a packing tape little gun thing, and I still have it, so I just needed like the refills for it. And then the last thing that I got, cleaning wise, were these like Swiffer duster refills. I use the Walmart brand of these and the like Swiffer Wet Jet mop pads, and they work fine. So I just got this. This came with 18 dusters for only like $6.50, and for the same pack of the actual Swiffer ones, it was like double the price. It was like $12. So I was like, I'll just get these. I think that they work fine, but that's just my opinion. And then I got 2 more things. I got a toy for the dogs, but I won't show you guys that. It's just like a little Nerf ball. And then I got this candle, which is burning, which might be like reflecting on me. It might be making me look orange right now, but this is the Red Lava Citrus, and it's the Better Homes and Garden brand. It was like $5 for this big candle. And if you guys like the volcano candle from Anthropologie, this, I followed somebody who said that this was a dupe for that candle, and I bought it, and it really is. I think it's pretty similar. So if you guys like that candle, I know it's really expensive, so I get that. I got it last summer, and I remember getting it, and it smelled so good, and I haven't bought it since last summer, so the scent just like brings me back to like summertime. So I got that because I'm pretty much like burnt out of all of my candles. Like, I don't really have any right now, so since we're moving, I just wanted to get like one because I like to like burn candles. So yeah, that's all that I got at Walmart. And then I came home and made dinner, and that's pretty much it. So I think I have filmed enough to make this its own vlog. I know I've kind of chatted a lot, so hopefully you guys still enjoyed it. I know a lot of my videos are really chatty, so yeah, I'm gonna try to do some more videos of me kind of like packing and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see content of me like getting the house ready to move out, let me know. I think the dogs are ripping something apart, so I'm going to end this video here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'm glad that you guys are supporting me and are welcoming me back to YouTube after taking a little bit of a break. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I've said that like 3 times, but I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.